Hey everyone, it's Paula from WTI, and I want to show you a hack if you have narrow drawers and not much space for your utensils. So this is a 9-slot organizer by Faridabio, and I love it because it uses vertical space. So I put my utensils facing outward because that's how I like the way it looked. This is unique in the sense that it uses vertical space. So you don't have to have everything laid out like this. You can actually go upwards. So you want to make sure your drawers are actually deep enough or have this on a cabinet because you don't want your things to hit the top of the drawer. It has this nice expandable tray to the side, so it can increase another 6 inches. So that's convenient if you have different sized drawers. I'm sure you can make it work. Mine is just big enough to put straws there, so I love that. So this is it. If you don't have too much room in your kitchen, I highly recommend you look into this and try to use your vertical space. But that's just my point of view.